On July 4th, 2022, I would go storm chasing across central Illinois. This video right here is going to be the overview on how the chase went and what I saw. The SPC this day issued a slight risk of severe weather, as conditions would be conditionally favorable for severe weather after a mesoscale convective system moved through in the morning. A 5% tornado risk was issued in northern Illinois, with a 2% extending into central Illinois. A 15 wind risk was issued, and a 5% hail risk was issued. Around 12 to 1 o'clock, a mesoscale discussion was issued, saying the potential for some isolated severe weather would be possible as new storms formed behind the MCS. These storms would quickly become strong to severe and become more widespread than anticipated, which led the SPC to issuing a severe thunderstorm watch for a couple tornadoes possible, damaging winds, and some small hail. Here is an upcoming clip of what my thoughts were before the chase even started.
Hello everybody, it's Andrew here. I am gearing up for maybe a storm chase this afternoon. Woke up a couple hours ago, and I'm going to check kind of the observational data right now, which is stuff storm chasers do before they go out storm chasing. You either do it on your computer or your phone. You go look at model data from some of the higher res models. You also go and look at newest SPC mesoscale analysis, and you kind of look at what the radar is looking like right now. Here we are at the surface right now, and we can see there is a nice line of storms there in Iowa, Wisconsin, Minnesota. That is expected to move east, bring out some outflow boundaries, and behind it there is a low pressure system. Along with this, there is an MCV kind of located right there. So that will kind of help out with it. Also kind of looking at some of the news radar, our newest model data. Here we can look at the HRRR here, kind of look and see what it does. We see Supercell really start to get going after that into the Chicago area, and then after that, it doesn't have anything big. The 11Z run had a pretty significant event over portions of my area with a Supercell. We can see the 11Z run here is a bit different. It shows this supercell really getting going from the morning convection on the southern edge and kind of moving southeastward, breaking out from it, which is possible with the MCV. We kind of see taking environmental soundings in front of it. The environment will be supportive for some large hail and maybe some tornadoes if this would occur. The dry air at the surface, though, right here would be a limiting factor for tornado development. Now, it does show this thing lasting pretty long until it ends up dying. There might even be severe weather tomorrow too, but I don't think I'm going to be able to chase it. The newest HRRR for tomorrow shows some isolated strong storms popping up and a nasty line coming across the state, and just a huge mess on Wednesday. Now Wednesday itself could be another big severe weather day as well. There's so much to happen. Oh my gosh, the NAM 3 kilometer, the newest run, kind of cores my house with a supercell, so if this ends up happening, I am definitely going to go out chasing. Holy crap, those profiles, man. Those are nice. So if the NAM 3 kilometer solution happens, I am definitely going storm chasing today. No reason for me not to go. We can see it also shows a nice line coming through later tonight. And then tomorrow it has a pretty nasty line. And then Wednesday itself, we might get a pretty nasty line too, or we might get clusters of storms. It kind of depends. But yeah, that's kind of like the overview of the next few days. I might be going storm chasing today, tomorrow, and maybe even Wednesday, but I don't know. Probably today is the most likely day.
At this point, our storm chase has started, and now we are on a supercell in central Illinois, in northeastern Woodford County, southeastern Marshall County, and into southwestern LaSalle County, as it's just starting to get severe warned for a tornado possible tag.
Huge wall cloud right now, and there is constant CG lightning strikes right here. Oh my god! I know, but this is a huge wall cloud right there. Wow! Lightning everywhere. Lots of lightning. That might have been a positive lightning strike. Wall cloud right here. Wow! There's a definite wall cloud right there. Maybe it was a brief funnel cloud. There's like little eddies forming right on that. Oh my god, the lightning! It's probably rotating. Why it's going south, it looks like.
At this point, the Supercell started to cycle and put down a new circulation that ended up being a pretty cool wall cloud. Here's the video of that.
That is a... wow. That formed quick.
Wind's out of the north here?
Might be.
Wind is going all different directions.
Very low wall cloud right there. Way back there. Okay.
At this point, we are getting a lot more up close to the storm, as this wall cloud is really starting to take its full appearance. It's probably one of my favorite moments from the chase.
Look how fast those clouds are. Yeah, this is rapidly rotating. Jesus. Wow. What? Are those wrapping rain curtains right there?
There's something, like some things moving around right above us. The sky is...
Yeah. Full storm. Woo! We probably need to go east more.
Let's go. We may still get soaked. Can't see anymore. We need to start getting out of here because
This is the most HP Supercell I've ever chased before. That is a greenish blue. Crazy.
know that might be away from what you want to see. I think we may need to go south so that we can stay out of the Pacific.
Okay.
So I don't think, I can't see, and there's all these clouds even around here moving so crazy. I don't want to be in the middle of a tornado because you can't see anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pouring. It's going to be pouring.
Go south.
Yeah, I'm going to the next road.
There is a large wall cloud right there and constant lightning in here now.
At this point, we were looking at a supercell to the northeast near Pontiac, Illinois. The supercell looked very beautiful, and then we started to hit on the road as we noticed a new storm start to really get going near Roanoke, Illinois, and Benson, Illinois. As it was going, we ended up passing through, or by the supercell near Pontiac, and we ended up getting a lot more of the storm structure out of it, which will be the second video. And that was one of my favorite points in the chase, is that there was a lot of lightning strikes. One of them I caught on there, and there was also very good structure with that storm, with the HP beast look to it.
Scary Supercell, my god. Oh.
This short clip is before we approached that severe warning storm near Gridley. This was kind of what it looked like before we ended up going right into the beast. There was a large wall cloud partially wrapped by rain, and it looked very cool.
There, you can see it.
Sort of.
At this point, we started to core punch a supercell in Central Illinois that was near Gridley, Illinois, and areas around there. This supercell ended up hacking 50 to 60 mile wind gusts, and you could also see a wall cloud at points in the video, with rising scud going into it.
You think the stuff down there could be something?
Right here, this whole thing. See the rain curtains wrapping around this thing.
I'm about to get pummeled by rain, terrible rain.
There's rotation right up there. There might be some sort of funnel in there too. You can see the rain curtains and everything. This is scary looking. Oh my gosh, this rain is
Severe one right here?
Yeah, this is a severe one.
For what?
At this point of the chase, we ended up passing the storm, and now we were about to head home. We noticed that a supercell was starting to develop near Congerville, Illinois, and we were going to pass it right on our way back. But we didn't think it would do what it would do. As we got to the storm, it was an LP shrimp supercell that looked really cool, had overshooting tops and a very low wall cloud that attempted to tornado but just couldn't quite do it due to the lacking low level shear. Still, the storm was amazingly beautiful and probably one of the best things I saw out of the whole chase. I have a few videos from it right here.
I like that the base is so low precipitation. Like you can see it from really far away. Oh, we got a rainbow and a LP Supercell with maybe a funnel coming down soon. That is so low to the ground! I just whistled for the first time. This is like such a cool scene with the rainbow, the birds chirping. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is still a very convincing storm.
Alright, now I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite pictures from the chase. Some of these will consist of when I first got to the Supercell near Rutland, Illinois. Some of these will consist of when I was near Pontiac. Some of these will consist when I was near Congerville. And they're also going to, and I'm also going to have radar images with some of these. And some of the videos I will also put radar images with, as you've probably already seen. Also, be on the lookout at the end because I will show y'all my whole chase trip, which was around 3 to 4 hours long.